Hi, everybody. I just wanted to show you a couple more ways to search for classes. So again, log into your My UCF dashboard, click on your My UCF student self-service. We'll go ahead and wait for that to load. You can click on search for classes to search for classes. You can use class search, and that will also bring up the class schedule search. You can also click on browse course catalog, particularly if you're trying to find out how often a class is taught, if you're looking for classes with multiple prefixes. This is a great feature. So for instance, I can go through here, find principles of advertising, learn a little bit more about the class, and then I can see if it's on the schedule for spring of 2026. Alrighty. You can also go back to your dashboard and you can rearrange your shortcuts and your essentials. So again, if I go to the dashboard and click on class search, let's wait for that to load. Again, it's going to pull it up here. I can go to the spring semester and I can proceed with searching for classes. Hope this helps. Have a great day.